Welcome everyone to another startup and automobile documentation. What we have here is a 2018 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid LE. This RAV4 is painted in magnetic gray metallic. It does have smart key access in the front doors. On the key fob, you have the buttons for lock, unlock, and panic. The front door panels have storage with bottle holders, power windows, locks, and mirrors. It has a black interior with cloth seat upholstery. Both front seats are manually adjusted in this LE. But now they're behind the wheel, we'll go ahead and power it on, and along with Smart Key, it does have push-button ignition. To put it simply, the Toyota RAV4 is one of the best-selling cars in the world. Situated in the compact crossover segment, targeting rivals like CR-V and Escape, RAV4s are everywhere and seem to stand out as being exceptionally popular even compared to other crossovers. People love them because they're efficient, high off the ground, comfortable, practical, and of course, to top it all off, they've got Toyota's legendary reputation for reliability. The RAV4 made its debut for 1995, and as of the 2024 model year, it is now in its fifth generation. Early RAV4s were made in both 3-door and 5-door body styles, but later generations became 5-door only. This 2018 model we have here represents the fourth generation of the RAV4, codenamed XA40, which was produced from model years 2013 through 2018. It rode on Toyota's new MC architecture, and unlike the outgoing third generation, it did not offer a V6 engine. The 4th Gen RAV4 was, however, the first generation to be made in an available gas-electric hybrid configuration. Another change for this generation was the switch from a side-hinged tailgate to a much more modern and mainstream top-hinged one. For 2016, the 4th Gen RAV4 got its mid-cycle refresh. Said update gave it some updated styling, some new safety tech, and most notably marked the debut of the RAV4 Hybrid. For 2018, the last year of the 4th Gen RAV4, a new adventure trim level was launched, as well as the base LE trim being made available for the hybrid. Trim levels for the non-hybrid 2018 US market RAV4 included LE, XLE, Adventure, SE, Limited, and Platinum. The RAV4 Hybrid came in just LE, XLE, SE, and Limited. As for powertrains, the standard RAV4 used a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine with 176 horsepower paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. The RAV4 Hybrid also uses a 2.5-liter inline-4 gas engine, albeit with the assistance of electric motors for a combined 194 horsepower. The transmission of the RAV4 Hybrid is a CVT. Drivetrains included either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive for standard models, while hybrids came standard with an electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system. In the instrument cluster, we have 4 analog gauges. Now you have your speedometer, fuel gauge, and temperature gauge, but in place of a tachometer on this hybrid, with this gauge, I believe if you floor the throttle, it'll go up into the power area because you're using power, but then if you drive more economically, it'll go down into the eco and charging. And then there's also a digital info display, which you can go through via these controls on the steering wheel. You have your trip computers, energy monitor, any driving aids you might have, messages, and then various settings. It has a 3-spoke design and multifunctional steering wheel, sport grips, and as for controls, on this side you find your audio controls along with your Bluetooth controls and voice command button. Then on this side you'll find your information display controls, gap adjust, and you have your cruise control stock, and it does have radar cruise as well. The steering wheel is tilt and telescopic. You have your power mirror controls, and toggle your lane departure alert, and your panel dimmers right here, climate vent for the driver. On this side is your exterior lighting stock, and on this side is your wiper stock. Going down the center of the interior, your hazard switch, passenger airbag indicator, seatbelt indicator, and your traction control toggle button, central climate vents on either side. Right here is your whole radio / infotainment system interface with a touch screen. We'll go over the system more in a bit. Below that you have a set of dual zone automatic climate controls. You have temperature for either side. You can sync it up, automatic, off, front and rear defrost, different zones, fan speed, that kind of stuff. Below that, with these 3 buttons, you have 3 different driving modes. You have EV modes, so you could just run off purely the electric motor, and you have Eco and Sport modes. You have a USB-A port and an aux port, a 12-volt power outlet, storage area down below here, along with another 12-volt, storage, a cup holder, going in reverse does reveal a backup camera. The parking brake is hand operated. You have a cup holder right here as well. And you have a 2-tiered center console. Little storage area above the glove box. Both sun visors do have vanity mirrors, lights, and extensions. Grab handles at all 4 corners. Manually dimming rear view. And on the overhead console, you have a sunglass holder and your overhead lighting. And here is the touchscreen infotainment system in this 18 RAV4 Hybrid LE. So we're on the radio screen right now. You have AM, FM, plus Bluetooth audio streaming. You have your sound settings right here. Station list. Audio just takes you here. Then under car, you have your energy flow monitor for the hybrid system. Trip info. You have a past record of how economically you've been driving, that kind of stuff. For phones you might have paired. C-Track. And then under setup, you got all sorts of settings. Now we'll roll down the driver's window and have a look at the engine bay. The driver's window is fully automatic. It rides on 17-inch 5 split-spoke alloy rims. The RAV4 Hybrid's iteration of Toyota's hybrid synergy drive powertrain consists of an Atkinson cycle 2.5-liter inline-4 combustion engine and 3 electric motors, one of which being a generator, another driving the front wheels, and the third one driving the rear wheels. It uses a nickel-metal hydride battery pack. This system results in a total output of 194 horsepower. The transmission is a CVT automatic with simulated manual shiftability, and the RAV4 Hybrid uses Toyota's electronic on-demand all-wheel drive with intelligence. Running on regular unleaded with a 14.8-gallon fuel tank, EPA estimates are 34 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway. It has a McPherson strut front suspension and a multi-link rear suspension. Stopping the RAV4 are four-wheel disc brakes with vented front rotors. Curb weight for a RAV4 Hybrid is roughly 3,900 pounds. The fuel cap is on the driver's side, roof racks, and it does have 60/40 split folding rear seats. Both front seats have mat pockets on the backs, coat hooks. Rear passengers do get their own 12-volt power outlet, as well as a folding center armrest with 2 cup holders. And with that lever to fold down the seat back, you can also use it as a recline for the seat back. You have that nice bit of adjustability. And as for space back here, I'm about 6'1" with the driver's seat in a pretty comfortable driving position for myself. Footroom is okay, legroom is pretty good, and headroom is of course pretty good. It's these RAV4s, especially from this generation onward, I think, they just have very spacious back seats. And that's pretty much par for the course with this whole compact crossover segment, the CR-V, the Escape. Even though they are compact, they all have, from what I can tell, pretty roomy interiors. That's why they're still a popular choice for small families. Single exhaust, rear wiper. Cargo space in the RAV4 Hybrid is 35.6 cubic feet with the back seats up, and 70.6 cubic feet after folding the back seats down. And this generation of RAV4 has always had a very wide opening for the cargo area, and it's also very low. But anyhow, thanks for checking out this tour of this 2018 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. And as always, stay on the lookout for future tours.